Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to know about the grammar part of the page number 31. So, open the page number 31 and then take a pencil. In the second main, write the short form of the words below. So, here there are words, then we have to write these words of short forms. So, here first one, it is. So, we have to write like IT apostrophe S. It's. Next, I am. We have to write like I apostrophe M. Am. Next, I will. I apostrophe double L. I will. Next, SHE she. ISE she is. Then we have to write like SHE apostrophe S. She is. Next, that is. We have to write like THAT apostrophe S. That's. Next, will not. WON apostrophe T. Want. You are. YOU apostrophe RE. Your. Next, they are. THEY apostrophe RE. There. Next, does not. DOES N apostrophe T. Doesn't. Could not. COULD N apostrophe T. Couldn't. So, in this form we have to write. Next, choose the correct word to fill in each blank. So, there are two types of words here. We have to fill or write the correct form of the words. So, here dash going to dash uncle's house. So, we write they are. So, what is the short form of they are? See here, THEY apostrophe RE, there. So, they are or means they are or they going to their uncle's house. So, they are going to their uncle's house. Next, dash the master of your own house. So, we have to like write YOUR apostrophe RE means YOUARER. You are the master of your own house. So, in this it is in this YOUR. Next, he is watering the plants in his garden. So, first we have to write HE apostrophe S means he is. Short form of he is. Next, HIS his garden. Next, my dog knows it's now time for its bath. So, here it's suggest to dog. My dog knows IT apostrophe S. It's now time for its bath. So, like this you have to write, children. Next, a compound word is made up of two smaller words. Has home plus work, homework. Here there are two words, home plus work. So, it make a word homework. Next, give some other examples of compound words. So, here I wrote sun plus flower, it becomes sunflower. Next, butter plus fly, it become butterfly. Next, cup plus cake, it become cupcake. So, like this you have to write three short forms of the word. Like this fourth main you have to write the compound words means write two words, it make compound word, make a one word. Next, grammar in use. Write the past form of these verbs. So, they are giving a verbs here. Then we have to write the past form of these verbs. First one, heed. What is the past form? Hate. Second one, tell. Told. Next, third one, wake. Woke. Shine. Shone and also shined. This is both past form. Next, go. Went. Have. Had. Think. Thought, know, knew. So, these are past form of the verbs. Next, Fill in the blanks with the past form of verbs from the box. So here they gave verbs. So we have to write the past form of the words to the given blanks. We enjoyed the party last night. So they were enjoyed the party last night. So we add ed for enjoy. So we add ed for word enjoyed. Past tense means it will already happen. Next, last night they dash home very late. So here reached. Last night they reached home very late. Next, I brushed my teeth 2 times yesterday. So yesterday suggests past tense. So we add ed for brushed. Next, it was very hot. So we opened the window. So here we wrote opened. Next, my dad studied in the school when he had been a child. So when his dad was a child, he was studied in a particular school. So we wrote studied. My dad studied in the school when he had been a child. Next, third main, complete each sentence with the negative form of the underlined verbs. So complete each sentence with the negative form of underlined words. Here they underline some words, so we have to write negative form of the underlined words. She had a pen, but she didn't have any paper. So we add didn't for negative to make a negative, and then have past tense. Have. Next, I saw Tony there, but I didn't see Jane anywhere. Next, they worked on Monday, but they didn't work on Tuesday. So here worked, they underline worked. So it is in a past form. So we have to write in a present tense. When we add didn't means do, does, did words. So we write the verbs in a present tense. So we wrote here work only, not worked, only work. So all these verbs also. Next, the boys ate burgers, but the girls didn't eat any burgers. So what is the present tense of ate? Eat. Okay children. So only we have to change the underlined words of the verbs in a present tense, and then we had didn't for all 4 sentences. Like these you have to write, fill the page 31 and then 32, both in your textbook and then both in your classwork. So you have to write both in textbook and then classwork also. Thank you children.